What to do if the brightness of your Android device such as Samsung device suddenly increases when you are watching videos from any application such as YouTube, TikTok, etc. For that one, what you will do is you will go to settings here, scroll down, and you have to go to this option advanced features. Scroll down, and if you see there is an option here video enhancer. So what does this do is it will enhance the image quality of your video. If you have enabled this option like this one, then whenever you play a video, then the brightness of the device automatically increases. So make sure to disable this option if you don't want the brightness to increase suddenly when you play a video. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment on this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.